A blinking green light on your Xfinity modem, especially during setup, means it's struggling to sync with Xfinity's network. This indicates a problem with the upstream or downstream connection. The modem is trying to acquire a signal, but it's not locking on. This is often due to cable connection issues, signal interference, or sometimes a temporary network problem on Xfinity's end. Don't panic. There are a few simple things you can check to resolve this. First, power cycle your modem. Unplug it for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Next, check all coaxial cable connections to ensure they are secure. If the issue persists, use the Xfinity app to check your signal levels. If levels are outside the -15 dBmV to 15 dBmV range, contact Xfinity support. As a last resort, perform a factory reset by holding the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Note, this will erase custom settings. If these steps fail, the problem likely requires Xfinity technical assistance to resolve.